All right, so I'm about to cut the sewer line. I'm gonna move it down so we can widen this hole for my unit. It won't be in the way of the duct work. So we're gonna start by cutting it right here. Then we're gonna cut this off in sections and we're gonna fern coat it right there, connect it to the main line out.
Push it there.
There we go. That. Easy. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, that looks good. That'll help keep the pipe in place so it won't just fall and smack us in the head. Let's go. Easy.
There.
Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. That can come with me, that's fine. Easy. All the junk. I'll do it right here. It's a lot easier than that iron. All right, it's on. All right, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, you have to be there.
I can get to these.
Okay.
I'm gonna go right.
Yeah.
Right about here. Is that level?
About tilt down this way. That.
That's parallel,
Yeah.
basically. Over the pipe. You just let it go behind the pipe. Oh, okay.
Ready? So just get the saw straight down. Yeah. Okay, I grab that top. Here we go.
Like the heavy one. Oh, it isn't too heavy, actually. All right, here we go. Let's see how nasty. Pretty nasty, and not too bad. It could be blocked off or something. Not too bad.
This.
All right, let's look at the other one. Ain't horrible. It ain't good, but it ain't horrible. Could be worse. Okay, we got it cut off. Got a 45 clamped up there. Got our T clamped in with a drain for the sink at the top. Now we're gonna glue this section in, glue the 45 in, and glue the chunk here, and that'll be the end of it.
Push the turn to quarter.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Fish this behind here. pipe out. Okay, now I'm ready for you
All right.
to. I'll back away for the bell. Oh, where's the choke? Where's the choke? Not the plenty good. Okay, now there.
I got to switch hands.
Tell me when to roll.
You can roll it.
This one.
Make sure it's good.
Got it?
Yep, that's good.
Okay. Ready? Putting the writing down.
I'm ready.
Rotate.
Keep going. That's it.
Okay, keep pushing.
Get some of these dribbles.
Ready? Yeah, we'll have to take that loose. Sit there and drop it for us for just to learn what we're doing.
We just take it. Yeah, okay, we can do that. No, we can do that.
Just make sure we're gonna go up that far. Let's see, we'll hold it up beside it. Bell to bell.
I mean, it should be, it's pretty much it. It'll go and stop. It'll bottom out. Because we're going to bottom out right there, up here. That's bottomed out up here. Maybe the other side.
Let's do the bells one more time and then we're gonna slam it.
All right, that's it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna drop it. You hold it this. We're gonna turn it this way. It goes that way. We'll do less than a quarter.
All right.
Push all the way down. Push. Rotate. Push it up.
If anything, it's
good.
shorter. That's
yeah,
fine.
that's great. That's it.
You got that. Write this off.
Nice. Nice.
Wipe that excess off there. Look at that. That's looking really good.
You can read it.
Non-pressure.
Fanatical.
That's it. I mean, that's looking really good.
Oh yeah, right.
Alright, let me get up. Glue. That's thoroughly glued.
Push that back.
Alright, ready?
Swing it in place. Get this tilted.
This can be moved. We have some room here, so this
There
just
it
needs to be vertical and look right.
There it is.
Let me look at it. Vertical looks good. Alright, so it turned out pretty good. We've tested it out, got everything glued up. Looking pretty good. Got the slope right. So next step, and I'm going to do this probably in a separate video, but I got to cut this out. Make it a little bit wider for the duct penetration because I'm doing a package unit outside. This was the first step because that sewer line was running right across this window, right in the way of the duct. So anyway, it turned out pretty good. And we'll get on to the next part and I'll show you how I do it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.